today I'm doing a tutorial on how to set up a USB device to run Fedora 20 live. Now, live installation means it's an installation free, completely safe, no modifications to your hard drive, installation that you can run on your laptop and get the full Fedora Linux environment running on your laptop in just a few minutes. It's a very easy way to set up a USB device to be bootable. Then you're going to boot off your laptop, and it's going to go ahead and run the complete environment for you to test out. You can go use a browser, you can browse the internet, you can write documents, use open office on there. You go ahead and download and install applications if you want to, and it'll leave no trace on your hard drive. So it's a great way to test out this environment with no commitment to it. So if you're interested in trying out Fedora, just keep watching and I'll show you how you can do this in a few easy steps. The first thing you want to do is go to the fedoraproject.org website and click on Downloads. This is where you can freely available the latest release of the Fedora desktop. It's currently on version 20. By default, it will take you to the installable live media. This is going to automatically download the 64-bit version of the operating system. If your system is older, it might be a 32-bit machine, so you might want to download a 32-bit option. Otherwise, the 64-bit will not work. If you scroll down to the bottom of that page, it will take you to the full download list. Now this is going to have many options here, including Fedora Desktop Live Media, and then you see i686 there and x86-64. i686 is the 32-bit version. If it's an older machine, this might be the one you need. If you have any issues that it's not bootable, this might be the reason. Next, we're going to download the Fedora Live USB Creator. It's another free product. You can go to the website as listed, fedora-hosted.org live USB creator. I'll keep it in the comments. We're going to run the installation. The installation is very quick. It should just take a few moments to install, and it's pretty straightforward. Once the installation is complete, you're going to want to insert your USB device. All right, so once it's done, we're going to go ahead and insert a USB device. Mine just happens to light up. Not all USB devices light up. And it doesn't have to be one that is particularly large. 1 gig is sufficient. So once you do that, we're going to go ahead and browse for our ISO image. Or you can download it from this application, which is actually very nice. So you can go ahead and download it. I already have downloaded, so I'm going to click on Browse, and I'm going to select the file that I have downloaded. Once I do that, I want to make sure it detects my device. So once it does that, if you insert the device after you start up this application, go ahead and hit that refresh option, and it should start listing your target device. Notice that this will not overwrite the data that is on the USB device. Having said that, I would not recommend guaranteeing your data files will be there. I always recommend being on the safe side, back up your file. Now go ahead and plug in that USB device into the laptop you want to try Fedora Live on. Once you do that, you're going to restart your machine and press the hotkey to bring up the boot menu option. You should see a menu option similar to this. It might say remove device, it might say USB device. So go ahead and use the up and down arrow and the enter key to select the appropriate device option. Once it's done that, it's going to boot off your USB device. Make sure you leave the USB flash drive installed on your laptop. Once the machine boots up, you should see an option similar to this where it says Try Fedora. We're going to go ahead and click on that icon, and it will bring you to your desktop environment. Enjoy your Fedora Live installation. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're running Fedora Live in your environment. There's no reason not to, since it's actually a very, very safe way to run the Fedora environment. And it's a great alternative to Windows. This is a desktop operating system, so it's a great alternative to running Windows. So go ahead and give that a try. See you guys next time. Bye.